You can turn anonymous website visitors into hot leads in minutes for free. Yes, you ain't dreaming. I said in minutes and for free. After the setup is done, it's all automated. So let me explain. RB2B is a website visitor de-anonymization platform. That means it takes anyone who visits your website, identifies them, sends their LinkedIn, email, and other information to you so you could reach out to the lead or add them to your outreach campaigns automatically. Basically, it's like having a brick and mortar store.
Hey, I saw you visited our website. Could I interest you in some products? Yeah, how'd you know I visited? You're literally here. And it would work the same on Slack. And it would work the same on Slack. Or any other website.
Someone visits, you chat them up, boom, deal done. Before I show you how to set it up, let me explain some limitations. RB2B only works for US-based website visitors, and it can't identify all website visitors. About a third of your website visitors that are US-based will get identified. But this doesn't mean that RB2B is useless. 1/3 is a lot more than zero. And it's free, bro. Why not try it? Also, if you upgrade, you can export leads, push them to any integration you'd like, and basically be happy. Because now you got hot leads coming in frequently. Okay, to set up the RB2B tool, you wanna go, of course, to the RB2B website. You click start for free, you say great, because amazing, click next step, add your work email, you confirm it, click sign up, first name, click next, select Slack, click next step, select how many outbound sales reps you have, next step, enable Slack alerts, add your domain with rain.com, next, click view and install script, you add the code to your website's header, you click test script. The script has been installed. Boom! You'll see who visits your website, you'll reach out to them, you'll book sales calls, you'll close sales calls, you'll make money, and you'll subscribe to Salesforge YouTube channel because I made this valuable video for you. And if this is not enough, I suggest you check out more videos to learn about cold email tools, AI sales agents, and me being less energetic on other videos. It was me, Sam. Have a good one and peace.